Hey guys, I wanted to make a video for you to show you how fast this little drone can go. So basically I brought it here in the open area by the river, so I can push the full throttle and don't endanger anyone here. There are some people here, but I will be higher up in the sky, so probably doesn't matter. Okay, so this drone has three modes: cinematic mode, which is this one right now, then we have precision mode and the sport mode. We are going to check all three. So this cine smooth mode, we are going to push full throttle forward and see how fast it goes. So let's go. Okay, this is as fast as it can go. We are going to turn it around and go in another direction, so we cancel any winds. (14 kilometers per hour in that direction. Let's see how fast it goes here. Well, almost the same. So we have some wind, but not much, more like gusts. Okay, let's try the cine smooth mode. Okay, so let's try the position mode. Oh, it's already faster, it turns faster. Okay, full throttle forward. It is faster. It is much faster. Okay, so around 28 kilometers per hour in position mode. Let's turn it around and try the other way. (28 kilometers per hour, about the same. Okay, and the third mode, sport mode. Let's try this. So it should go up to 46 kilometers per hour, so we'll see. Full throttle forward. Okay, 46. It can hold 46. That's nice. Let's try the other way. Yeah, we have some wind. I can hear the sound of the blades are different. We have some wind, but it can go without a wind. It can go to about 46 kilometers. So let's see how fast it goes up in all three modes. I'm going to park it here. This is me. Let's put it in the cine smooth mode and go up. I'm controlling the camera, so the up speed is around 5 kilometers per hour. Down speed is 3.6, 3.2. Okay, position mode, up 7.2 kilometers per hour, down 6.5. Okay, sport mode, up 14.4, down 10.4. This is great. It is fast. We have a friend here. Where is he? There we go. He's so fun. Okay. So this is it for today, guys. I have to say welcome to my new channel. I made this channel only to make these drone footages for you. I do have another channel which is more like DIY stuff based, I mean like using tools, hands and crafts. So I wanted to make a separate channel so I don't mix these two up, because people usually don't want to see drone footages on my main channel. So if you want to see more of these drone videos, subscribe to this channel and give me and press that like button, the bell icon and all that good fun stuff for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another one.